In the lower level of the Princess Margaret Home Lottery Show House, it really is a special lower level. We have two distinct areas. We have a TV area, which has two sectionals and a TV and a games table. It has a great carpet. It's actually an outdoor carpet, and so it's really practical, but it has a lot of pattern and it's woven. We use a blue grass cloth and painted the trim that color. So it's a really great space, and it's a great space to watch movies and lie down and play games. But the real wow space, and the space that I want, is the spa, and it really is a wellness area. So we have divided up into 3 zones. We have the exercise area, which has spin bikes. You can do spin classes with your friends. You can do weights. You can do any type of exercise you want in there. But the first area you come in, which has drapes to close off, I consider this the massage, wellness, yoga. You can push the tables out of the way and do yoga. There's a long bench in terry cloth with terry cloth drapes and 2 massage tables. So you can hire a masseuse or a couple of masseuses and have this special space. And then we have the glass wall, which also has drapes to create privacy, which is the spa. And people use the word spa all the time. You want to talk about spas? This is a spa. So we've got the counter with a makeup area, with the sink, but what we have adjacent to that is the whirlpool. And this is a really cool whirlpool. It has a deck around it so you can sit on it. And it has this feature where the water pours over you, so it keeps you warm all the time. And then what I love is a steam room and a sauna. And it's glass. People usually see a sauna with a wood door and a little window. I think it's a little claustrophobic, and you can have glass in a steam sauna. So when you're in there, you can see the whole space. Someone could be in the sauna, someone could be in the steam, someone could be in the whirlpool, but it gives this openness. And I think what's dramatic is you see the wood in the sauna and the stone in the steam room, and there's also showers in both of those. I just love this space. It's really indulgent. It's all about wellness. I really want this in my own home. We were thinking about, what people want and how they live today, and wellness and eating well and exercising. And that's what really was the inspiration created this. And we thought if we're going to do it, we have to do it right. Really, everything is there in your own home that you would go to a spa in a beautiful hotel when you're on a vacation, or a local spa. We brought it to the house, and I think we've really achieved that. I love the show house. I think this is such a comfortable house. I like sitting in all the rooms. It has this great room. It has the cozy family rooms. It has the fabulous kitchen. It has the great spa. I'm going to take some of these ideas and take them home with me. So it's a very inspiring house, and I think it's going to be great for everybody that comes visit in person or sees it on video.